Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one is a cell night gray. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 with 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does have an illuminated star in the grille, 19-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels, brushed aluminum running boards, black MB text interior with a black poplar wood trim, sunroof, trailer hitch, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, 60/40 fold-down rear seats, cargo cover, blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera and sensors, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center. This GLE has 54,003 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, visit us at feldmannimports.com.